So to remove the dampener body from the piston, you put this part in the vise, clamp it down, and take an adjustable wrench to this part to unscrew the dampener body. But when you do this, you have to be careful that this part does not slip out of the vise because it's soft and there's not a lot of surface area to clamp. So I would recommend having someone there to watch it or pull it down as you're trying to unscrew this. And once you do, just unscrew it a little bit and then just unscrew it the rest of the way to release the oil and the pressure later. I found that when I unscrew the rebound all the way to its quickest setting, it releases the oil, and that's how I lost a lot of my oil. Found out that it had also absorbed a lot of dust, so that's how I decided to rebuild this. Once you take this apart, this little plastic piece with an O-ring around it will pop out. Okay, so here's this little plastic piece. I'm gonna put the indented side up. Go like that. So you push it down like that, and don't let it go. It's got, you need to push it to the side. No, don't push it through. Push it to the side. Like, so it's resting on the edge, so I can put oil through. Ready? Is that what you want? Yeah. Okay. Fuck. Put it in now? Yeah. Put it in. I'm gonna make it tight before I release. It smells like, kind of smells like diesel. I don't know, it smells like crude oil. Okay, this might be how it looks. Huh. So here's the end of the video. The rebound adjustment works well on this Fox shock. Shock works well. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comments, and I hope this will help a few people rebuild their Fox vanillas.